Eliano alleges that Thandeka has never personally apologized to her for the comments of being a woman for 2 seconds. While it is important to note that in this world we need to be tolerant, we need to accommodate each and everyone, regardless of their sexual orientation, race, color, tribe, or wherever they come from, we should understand that as people we are learning as we're going. Should Tandega be crucified because of those comments? No. But this is the moment that Iliano needs to use, and also Tandega needs to use, to teach people that nothing is ever as black and white. There's gray, there's brown, there's orange, there's yellow. There is a whole lot of spectrum with different people who are living different lives. And as long as those people are not hurting anyone, we should not judge, we should not oppress them in any way that will make them feel inferior.